So here's how you can delete or uninstall Google Chrome on your Android device. So for that reason, first of all, let me just go to my app drawer, and as you can see, here is the Google Chrome. So you need to long press on your icon, and then these options will show up. So if you find the disable button, then simply tap on the disable button from here, and the app will be nowhere into the app drawer. But if you don't have the disable button here, then you need to go to the settings and simply go with the apps. Here is the apps option, so tap on the apps. Now from here, simply search for Chrome. Here, simply tap on that, and then from here you will see the disable button here, so simply tap on the disable and tap on the disable once again. So if we just go back and try to find out the Google Chrome, as you can see, there is no Google Chrome. So that's how you can simply delete Google Chrome on Android. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.